Hello everyone, I am Anuja Shrivastava and today I am going to teach you about the important topic in class 6 chemistry, that is interconversion of a state of matter. And what is interconversion? That means one state of matter is changes into the other and they can also come back to the same state. That means matter की एक state दूसरे state में change हो जाती है और after reversing the condition they can come back to the previous condition. So how we can define the interconversion state of matter? It is the change of matter from one state to other, one state to another, usually due to change in temperature. That means if we are changing the temperature, अगर हम temperature change करते हैं तो the state of matter can also be changed from one state to the another. Now this interconversion state, it is a reversible process. What is the meaning of reversible? That means if one state is changes into the another on heating, so on cooling that stage is again come back to the previous stage, and in this process the chemical composition is not changed. That means if water is going to freeze, it forms a solid, but chemical composition is as same as the water. If they are going to evaporate, अगर वो evaporate होता है तब भी chemical composition क्या है, वो same ही रहेगी. That cannot be going to change. So let's see whatever the changes are there in interconversion of state of matter. So first conversion is the melting. And what is melting? You can easily know when the solid substance changes into liquid state. Or when the solid substances changes into the liquid state on heating. That means the temperature on heating the solid substances changes into the liquid state, and that is known as the melting. And the temperature at which the solid changes into the liquid state, that temperature is known as the melting point. Now next one is here. The next one is here, boiling and evaporation. What is boiling and evaporation over here? Here the liquid substances changes into the gas. Liquid substances changes into the gaseous state on heating. So here two terms I have written, boiling and evaporation. So both the conditions are responsible for converting liquid state into the gaseous state, but the boiling, it occurs at the base on the complete liquid and the base, and evaporation it occurs at the surface of the liquid. And boiling, what is boiling? The process by which liquid start to boil above the boiling temperature. And evaporation, when the liquid is converted into the gaseous form below the boiling point, that is the evaporation. Now next one over here is condensation. So what is condensation here? The gaseous substance is converted into liquid state. The gas is converted into liquid state on cooling. That means जब गैस को हम कूल करते हैं, it forms the liquid. That is called the process condensation. और आपने घर पे देखा होगा, when your mother is boiling the you can also see when your mother is putting the chapatis on the casserole and you are opening the casserole lid, number of water droplets are over there. That is because of the condensation. So the next process after condensation, the liquid that changes into the solid, that means freezing. So what is freezing over here? The liquid substance. The liquid substances changes into the solid state. The liquid substance changes into the solid state on cooling. And this is known as the freezing. That means जब कोई liquid substance solid state में ठंडा करने पर solid हो जाता है, that process is known as the freezing. Now the two new terms, the fifth one over here is the sublimation. And what is sublimation? In the process of sublimation, the solid substance changes into the gaseous state without forming the liquid state. Solid substance changes into gaseous state without forming liquid state. That means कि किसी सब्सटेंस को जब हम हीट करते हैं तो क्या हो रहा है? ऑन हीटिंग सॉलिड सब्सटेंसेस चेंजेस इनटू गैसेस स्टेट विदाउट फॉर्मिंग द लिक्विड. दैट मीन्स लिक्विड स्टेट फॉर्म ही नहीं होगी और दैट सब्सटेंसेस डायरेक्टली चेंजेस इनटू द गैसियस स्टेट. एंड दिस प्रोसेस इज नोन एज द सब्लिमेशन. और जिन सब्सटेंसेस में सब्लिमेशन होता है उन सब्सटेंस को हम बोलते हैं सबलाइम सब्सटेंसेस. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन इज द डिपोजिशन. एंड इट इज़ ऑल्सो नोन एज डी सब्लिमेशन, क्योंकि इसका जस्ट अपोजिट प्रोसेस है. और इसमें क्या होगा? इस अपोजिट प्रोसेस में द गैसियस सब्सटेंस इज चेंजेस इनटू सॉलिड ऑन कूलिंग एंड विदाउट फॉर्मिंग लिक्विड स्टेट. यहाँ भी लिक्विड स्टेट नहीं बनेगी. तो these 6 आर द इंटर कन्वर्जन स्टेट ऑफ मैटर की सॉलिड लिक्विड में, लिक्विड सॉलिड में, गैस लिक्विड में, लिक्विड गैस में, इस तरीके से चेंजेस होते हैं. दीज आर द इंटर कन्वर्जन स्टेट ऑफ मैटर एंड दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रोवाइडिंग द हीट एंड just cooling them. So this is all about the today's topic. Now in next video we will discuss the next thing. Till then, bye bye, thank you.